Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we show you how to connect your Namecheap domain to your Blogger website. If you have purchased a custom domain and want to use it for your blog instead of the default Blogspot address, you are in the right place. The purpose of this tutorial is to help you set up your domain settings so your Namecheap domain points to your Blogger site. When we set this up, we get a more professional web address, improve our branding, and make our blog easier for visitors to remember. Now first, open your browser. We need to open two tabs today. In one tab, open blogger.com, and in the other, open the Namecheap platform. Let's open Blogger first. Once here, log into your account and then go to Settings. You can find Settings on the left side of your page. Under Settings, go to Publishing. Here, you will see the Custom Domain option. Let's click this custom domain, and then we click here to enter the domain we have on Namecheap. Let's just click Save. After clicking Save, a message will pop up saying that we have not been able to verify this domain on your domain registrar website. So, now we go back to the domain and register our Blogger. To register Blogger, go to Account and then to Domain List. Once we are in our domain list, just click this refresh. When our domain appears, click the dot down and then Manage. After that, we are directed to this page. Now we click this Advanced DNS. Under Advanced DNS, you will see the option to add a new record. To add a new record, select a CNAME record. Click this and then this. Put this www and then put target here. Now go back to Blogger and enter this ghsgoogle.com. Copy this GHS and then paste it here. Just right-click Copy and then paste it here. When we're done, we add another CNAME record. This time, the host will be this code here. Just copy this code and then right-click and copy. Let's put this in the same record host, and for the target, we get this destination. The destination will be uptodis.com. Then copy again, go back to Blogger Auto DNS and paste here. We check it here. Let's save all changes. Once it appears done, just wait for it to load. It is now added to our record. Now, we go back to Blogger and click Save. Wait for it to load. Once it finishes loading, our custom domain is now set up. That is how we connect our Namecheap domain to Blogger. When everything is configured and the changes are fully propagated, our custom domain will be live.